Right, little short video for Ace's DVDs showing their headrests installed. There you go.
Mr. Pinky's hefty hideaway.
And there you have them. Sorry about the film.
Okay, you be my agent. What? Tracy termed that. Has fame gone to your head made you whack?
Well, why not? Who's going to look out for me better than my mom?
Me, an agent?
As you can hear, the sound is coming out of the car speakers via the FM transmitter.
Oh, you're crazy. Oh, Tracy,
Remote control.
in years.
Then isn't it time you did?
Oh no, Tracy.
We also
Have your father meet with him.
have
I don't want to be seen like this.
Why not?
a games controller
That's when I'll do it. You see, the neighbors haven't seen it
and
since I was as size 10. Don't make me do it, Tracy.
Mom, anything out there? You'll like
unpacked at the moment.
Our time is coming.
Set of wireless headphones.
Hey, mama, look around.
Put those away.
Brand new sound. Hey, mama,
Much like any other DVD player. Skip. Changing your DVDs. Stop the film. Eject. And up comes the screen. Ace's logo when nothing's playing. And film should resume. Okay, if we skip, fast forward a bit. If you prefer to have them coming out of the speakers built into the unit itself, speakers are pretty good. And there you have it. There's also a games disc that comes with this. Gonna power off. Power off. Zipped away from the eyes of praying Herberts. And there you go. Thanks a lot.